We didn't make the bed this morning, and so it's all like messy. But we put all our clothes away last night. I had laundry going, so me and my husband put the laundry away last night. So I just have the girls' clothes. You're cute. I just have the girls' clothes to put away because they were sleeping in their room, so I didn't want to obviously go in there and put their clothes away. So I'm gonna also put that stuff away. I'm gonna try to like finish as much as I can before my husband leaves for work in about an hour, so I think I can do it if she doesn't distract me too much. You're silly. So let's go. Okay, so I shake out the little carpet. I'm gonna do these carpets right now, but everything is just like soaking. I just spray everything down, move everything out of the way, and also I put the toilet bowl cleaner in here, and the hacks in there too, and then I spray down the toilet, and then let it sit, and then I'll do the floors, and then I'll wipe everything down.
I need to go pee.
Yeah, we'll go in the other bathroom. And then by the time I'm done with the floors, everything should be good to go, so I can wipe and like scrub everything down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, I just need to mop the bathroom and then put the rugs back in, and I'll be all done with that. And then Ramses is going to wipe the mirrors down because they're like too big and high for me, and it's just too much work for me. So, too much work for me. So, too much work for me. So he's gonna go ahead and do that. And then I'm like all hot. And Princess over here, she's just chilling. And then we're gonna go ahead and clean up the playroom up here. It's not really a playroom, it's just kind of like an extra room we just have stuff in, but it has mostly toys. So, and then I have some clothes I have to put away of the girls, and then I'll be all done, hopefully, all done. Are your arms sore?
About midway, you want to flip it over. And you lift the clean side.
I'm dead. Okay, so I can't put the carpet back yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this away while the floor is drying. So I have one drawer for each of my daughters. So this top drawer is Charlotte's, so it's underwear and then pajama bottoms and tights or socks over here. And then I have another drawer for Jet the same way. Then I also like to fold their pants like this so that way I can find them a lot easier. And then I also made these little like dividers with just some foam board. I just like measured them out and just slid them in here, and they work really well, super cheap. So I just fold their pants into halves. So I fold like this, and then I fold like this, and then like that. And then I just stack them up like on top of each other, and then I just grab the whole stack and then slip it in their drawer. And then I separate pants, like regular pants, and then pajama bottoms. And then you just make sure that the folded side is all to one side. So if I don't fold them, they just end up looking like this. So yeah, that's not very nice to look at or to look through when you're looking for stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this part real quick. Okay, and then I have one drawer for both of their pants, and I just have like one divider in the middle. So I have Jet's pants on this side and Charlotte's on this side, like that. And then sometimes if there's like space, I'll just do them like this. But then like as I put more pants or when I bring more laundry or anything like that, I can just easily stand them up like the other ones. Okay, so I have some clothes right here that I'm going to be putting into a bag. This is clothes that I kind of like am periodically taking out. That's their clothes that they don't fit into anymore. So I'm going to be putting it in this bag that I have over here. And then this is just like stuffed animals that I don't want to deal with, so I just put them in a little containment situation over there. Are you guys gonna pick up these toys?
Yeah, we're gonna give away the stuffed animals.
Oh, you're gonna give them away?
Yeah, we're gonna give away.
And then see, I just have like huge things in here that obviously don't fit downstairs. So let's find a better situation in here. Okay, I'm all done in here. It just looks so much better, so much more organized. And then I just have to put the rest of the clothes in the closet. That's all stuff that gets, oh no, not this. This goes in the drawer.
I'm gonna put that in the drawer. Where does it go?
In here.
Oh. So we can get some clothes out.
Or maybe not in that one. Let's find another one that doesn't have a lot of stuff in it. Put it in that one. Stuff it in there.
We can find a skirt. We can find this orange skirt that I'd love to wear all day.
Watch your fingers.
Goes up there. Joba.
Thank you.
I wanna wear that short sleeve one with the skirt on it, with sparkles on there. Says let's read a book. Wait.